Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today we're diving into the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's latest flagship that has the world buzzing. Every year Apple sets a higher bar for smartphones, and this time they've pushed design, performance, and innovation further than most people expected. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is not just an upgrade, it feels like a refined vision of what a modern smartphone should be. From the outside, it looks premium, but once you start using it, you realize how much detail and thought Apple has poured into it. Let's break down every aspect in keynote style so you can see if this phone is truly worth your investment. Design and build quality. Apple has always been known for its flawless design, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max takes it to an entirely new level. The titanium frame introduced last year has been further refined to be lighter yet stronger, giving you that sturdy premium feel without being too heavy in your pocket or hand. The edges are subtly curved, improving ergonomics and comfort while keeping that industrial precision Apple fans love. The back now features a new satin textured glass that not only resists fingerprints but also feels incredibly smooth to the touch. The finish has been optimized to provide better grip while maintaining elegance. The phone also comes in new colors that stand out without looking flashy, including a refined deep blue and a polished natural titanium shade. Apple has also improved durability with tougher ceramic shield glass that resists scratches and drops better than ever. The build is IP68 certified, meaning it's resistant to water and dust, so you can take it almost anywhere without worry. Holding this phone immediately gives you the sense that it's crafted with the highest attention to detail, which is something few other brands can replicate. Display. Apple continues to lead in display technology and the iPhone 16 Pro Max sets another benchmark. The device comes with a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, which is the largest ever on an iPhone, but it feels balanced thanks to the thinner bezels. Apple has pushed brightness to a new level, with peak outdoor brightness reaching up to 3000 nits, making it one of the brightest and most readable screens in direct sunlight. Whether you're streaming HDR movies, editing photos, or just browsing, the clarity and vibrancy are jaw-dropping. Colors look lifelike, blacks are truly deep, and the contrast ratio ensures every detail pops. Promotion technology with its adaptive 1Hz to 120Hz refresh rate gives buttery smooth scrolling and responsive gameplay. What's more impressive is Apple's focus on energy efficiency, as the display intelligently adjusts itself to save battery when high refresh rates are not needed. Watching videos or playing games on this display feels immersive, like you're holding a cinema in your hand. It's not just a screen, it's an experience that enhances everything you do. Performance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's new A18 Pro chip, which brings cutting-edge processing power and efficiency. Built on a next-gen 3nm process, the chip provides not just raw speed but also better thermal performance, meaning the phone stays cooler even during demanding tasks. Everyday use is lightning fast, apps open instantly, and multitasking feels seamless. But where the A18 Pro really shines is in gaming and professional workloads. Graphics performance has seen a huge leap, with ray tracing now running faster and more efficiently, delivering console-level visuals right on your smartphone. Machine learning capabilities have been boosted as well, with the neural engine handling trillions of operations per second, which improves everything from photo processing to real-time translation. This makes the phone not just powerful but smart in ways that enhance the overall experience. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who values smooth performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is built to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Camera. Apple's cameras have always been industry-leading, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max raises the bar even further. The main sensor is larger, allowing more light to be captured, which means better low-light performance with sharper details and less noise. The telephoto camera now offers a 5x zoom exclusive to the Pro Max, and it delivers crisp, clear shots without losing quality. The ultra-wide lens has been refined for edge-to-edge clarity, making landscapes and group shots look more natural. Video has also reached a new level with 8K recording support, perfect for creators who demand professional quality on the go. Cinematic mode is smoother, more accurate, and now available in higher resolutions, making your videos look like they came from a film studio. Apple has also integrated advanced AI to improve subject recognition and photo processing, ensuring skin tones look natural and colors stay true. Night mode has been upgraded to capture more realistic tones even in near-dark environments. The front-facing TrueDepth camera continues to deliver stunning selfies and supports the improved Face ID system, which now works at more angles. For anyone who values photography or videography, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is like carrying a professional-grade camera in your pocket. Battery life. One of the most critical aspects of a flagship phone is endurance, and Apple has managed to extend battery life significantly. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a larger, more efficient battery paired with smarter energy optimization from the A18 Pro chip. On average, users can expect up to 30 hours of video playback, making it the longest-lasting iPhone ever. Real-world usage feels effortless as you can go through a full day and still have power left for the night. Charging has also been refined with faster wired and MagSafe wireless speeds, so you spend less time plugged in. Apple has introduced new battery health features, ensuring long-term durability by managing charging patterns intelligently. This means your phone stays healthier for longer, which adds to the overall value. For travelers, gamers, or heavy users, the iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers the confidence that your phone won't die when you need it most. Software and features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on iOS 18, and Apple has loaded it with smart, intuitive features. The interface feels fluid and polished, with smoother animations and deeper customization options. Apple Intelligence, the company's advanced AI suite, is deeply integrated, offering personalized assistance, smarter Siri interactions, and on-device AI tools that don't compromise privacy. Features like advanced photo editing, real-time voice translation, and predictive text have been taken to the next level. iOS 18 also refines continuity across the Apple ecosystem, letting your iPhone seamlessly connect with your Mac, iPad, and Apple Watch. Privacy remains a core focus, with Apple offering more transparency and control over your data. Small but thoughtful touches, like improved widgets, lock screen personalization, and smarter notifications, make the overall experience more personal and efficient. For those who rely on productivity, creative tools, or just a seamless digital lifestyle, the iPhone 16 Pro Max feels like the most complete iPhone software package yet. Value for money. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is undoubtedly a premium device with a premium price tag, but value goes beyond just cost. When you look at the design, the industry-leading display, unmatched performance, pro-grade cameras, long-lasting battery, and advanced software, it becomes clear that this is more than just a phone. It's an all-in-one tool for communication, creativity, entertainment, and productivity. Apple also supports its devices with years of software updates, ensuring your investment lasts longer than most Android competitors. While some may argue it's expensive, the sheer level of engineering and innovation makes it worth it for those who want the very best. If you need a phone that not only keeps up with your lifestyle but also enhances it, the iPhone 16 Pro Max justifies its price in every way. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Apple has once again shown why it leads the smartphone market by combining beauty, power, and intelligence into one device. From its durable titanium design to the stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display, from the blazing fast A18 Pro chip to the most advanced iPhone camera system ever, every element of this phone feels thoughtfully crafted. The improvements in battery life, the deep integration of AI-driven features in iOS 18, and the overall user experience all add up to a device that doesn't just meet expectations but exceeds them. Yes, it comes at a premium price, but with the longevity, ecosystem, and sheer performance you get, it feels like money well spent. For those who want the ultimate iPhone, one that sets a new standard for what a smartphone can be, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the clear choice. This is Apple Insider, and if you're considering upgrading, this is the iPhone that defines the future.